Hello everyone, this is Joan for Kanen Coffee. Today we have a Lucca M58 with us in the shop, and I came in for quite an interesting issue. We had replaced this combo valve about a year ago, and just due to water corrosion in the boilers and just the conditions of the water, it actually melted through the valve, as you can see here. You can still see parts of the valve that are clearly brand new, but the inner parts just ended up breaking through. What I did is I tested the water in the boiler, and it rated around 138 parts per million, which is really, really hard water. At those, levels of minerals, you will find that thin valves, a lot like solenoids and combo valves like this, vacuum release valves, boiler safety valves, with that type of hardness of water, you will find corrosion, specifically in solenoids and small valves like the combo valve. So we did replace the combo valve. I also had to descale the machine for quite a while because the boilers were just really full of scale, the water changing to a green color. So I descaled for quite a bit and then also drained the boilers manually, as in take off a valve and completely siphon all of the descaler out to make sure that the machine doesn't have any descaler left. And then also refilled it with clean water. Deep clean the group head. The group head was really caked with coffee grinds. Also, that gasket and shower screen were completely dried out, and the actual shower screen basket was spewing water everywhere. Besides that, just more so just cleaning the machine. It wasn't brought with a drip tray or a portafilter, so we're just going to have to test water coming out of the machine, but we're just going to pull this group head to kind of show that all the water streams out nice and easily now through one perfect stream of water. Turn that off here. Hot water tap works great if you were to kind of push it to the side here. Working good. And then also the steam on, which is the very important part, working really good. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.